Some crypto news Monday, April 26, 2021.
Korean financial watchdog demands employees file crypto investment reports. According to Yonhap news agency, those who must file reports include FSC employees whose role includes developing the country's virtual currency policies and managing cryptocurrency exchange activities, as well as those in charge of monitoring and analyzing suspicious cryptocurrency transactions, and managing technology developments. Officials at those departments are ordered to file reports on their cryptocurrency investments by the 7th of May, 2021. An FSC official speaking to Yonhap news agency is reported as calling it a reminder of the existing code of conduct in the wake of recent personnel shifts.
Wise token is taking off on Binance Smart Chain. Wisesoft will start a sale of a new Binance Smart Chain version of its original token contract as part of its WISB Liquidity Transformer event. The event will last for 15 days with a cap of 200,000 Binance tokens. The team is also offering over $500,000 in instant cash prizes, paid out in BNB, to qualifying early investors. On PancakeSwap, Wisesoft plans to launch an initial $200 million liquidity pool of BNB-backed Wise tokens WISB. Since the token contract automatically locks all liquidity, part of the team's initiative to promote true decentralization, the Wisesoft team does not keep any portion of the allocation for themselves or VIPs. Wise token on BSC would provide a superior user experience, with negligible network costs and quicker transaction times, making it a better option for the average investor.
Microsoft, Apple, and MicroStrategy stock tokens to be listed on Binance. Leading cryptocurrency trading platform Binance has announced that it will list the tokenized shares of Apple, Microsoft, and MicroStrategy by the end of April. The exchange's users will be able to get exposure to Bitcoin-heavy MicroStrategy as soon as today. Apple and Microsoft stock tokens will be listed on the exchange on April 28 and April 30, respectively. Binance made a foray into tokenized stock trading earlier this month. Elon Musk's e-car manufacturer Tesla was the very first company on its list. It has added the fractional shares of rivaling cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase that went public on April 14.
Cardano payments now available to merchants using Shopify or WooComerce. Crypto payment processor Now Payments recently announced that it has integrated support for Cardano, their plugins for various e-commerce solutions, such as Shopify and WooComerce, now support $ADA payments. Jeremy Furster, a project manager at Cardano Foundation, announced the news on Twitter on the 21st of April. Greetings Shopify. Cardano welcomes you to the family. Thank you Now Payments for supporting the growing Cardano ecosystem.
Camping World to accept Bitcoin payments. The latest company to adopt the leading crypto asset is the largest RV dealer in the US, Camping World, which announced today that it would start accepting BTC and other digital assets through a partnership with payment processor BitPay. Per the announcement, the partnership will allow Camping World to maximize convenience for the customer and attract new consumers without holding the currency on its balance sheet. This development would only be available for customers of the company in Chicago, Isle and Kenosha, WI locations. However, the company reiterated its desires to expand to all locations that sell RVs and to its e-commerce platforms this summer.
The Giving Block launches Crypto Giving Pledge to ramp up crypto donation efforts. The Giving Block, a leading cryptocurrency donations platform, has launched a new initiative with the stated goal of making crypto the most charitable industry in the world. The Crypto Giving Pledge encourages digital asset investors to pledge at least 1% of their holdings to charities each year and for cryptocurrency companies to contribute 1% of their revenue toward similar causes. Users can join the initiative anonymously and without having to disclose their contributions. Alex Wilson, co-founder of the Giving Block, said the new initiative will transform the way the world views cryptocurrency and create the largest influx of charitable giving that the world has ever seen.
Eminem releases beat-inspired NFTs in partnership with Gemini's Nifty gateway. On Sunday, the 25th of April, Eminem announced a partnership with NFT marketplace, Nifty Gateway for ShadyCon. ShadyCon will offer up original instrumental beats produced by Slim Shady himself and a pair of action figures. I've been collecting since I was a kid. Everything from comic books to baseball cards to toys, as well as every rap album on cassette I could get my hands on. Eminem said in a statement. Not much has changed for me as an adult. I've attempted to recreate some of those collections from that time in my life and I know I'm not alone. I wanted to give this drop the same vibe of, oh, man, I gotta get just that one or maybe even the whole set. It's been a lot of fun coming up with ideas from my own collecting passion, he added.
JP Morgan set to launch Bitcoin fund soon. Reports have shown that the banking powerhouse, JP Morgan, is set to launch its first BTC fund by the summer for the bank's clients. According to sources, the move is being led by Jamie Dimon, a well-known critic of BTC. Rich customers of the bank are expected to get it during the summer. Later in the year, NYDIG is set to give custody to Bitcoin. When this is finally accomplished, the bank becomes the biggest banking institution in the United States to recognize Bitcoin as an official asset.
Huobi expands payment options with Visa and Mastercard. Cryptocurrency users on Huobi are now able to load their accounts with Spain-issued Visa and Mastercard, according to the exchange. This has given customers more alternatives when buying cryptocurrencies with low transaction fees in euros. According to the announcement, the service is made possible by Gibraltar's DLT service provider and Huobi Technology Co. Limited. Users who pay for crypto assets using Mastercard will be paying a 1.32% Mastercard transaction fee. The service is offered to anyone with Spanish-issued Mastercard or Visa who have enabled international transaction, including those residing outside Spain.
Ethereum tokens coming to Tezos, thanks to Wrap Protocol. Ethereum tokens will now be available on Tezos thanks to a new development by Bender Labs. This will be done through the release of the Wrap Protocol, which is a bridge protocol from Bender Labs and is hoping to contribute towards a more open financial system. What this means is that ERC-20 and ERC-721 tokens from the Ethereum blockchain can now be transferred into the Tezos blockchain as FAR2 tokens. Bender Labs specializes in creating DeFi platforms and thus, Wrap acts as a decentralized bridge between various blockchains. The biggest benefit of this new development is that users of both platforms will be able to wrap their tokens. Wrapping, in this case, refers to getting representations of ERC-20 and ERC-71 tokens on the Tezos blockchain while still maintaining a pegged value to the original tokens.
eToro launches stock portfolio tracking Bitcoin value chain. eToro, a trading and multi-asset brokerage company, is launching a new stock portfolio that offers clients exposure to companies that are building the value chain around Bitcoin. The eToro Bitcoin Worldwide portfolio includes an array of companies that are, in one way or another, currently connected to Bitcoin and the wider cryptocurrency market. It includes PayPal, Nvidia, Canaan, and Coinbase. eToro users can invest in Bitcoin worldwide from a starting price of $1,000, with no management fees. The most significant change surrounding the world's largest crypto is not its price, but the companies building the value chain around it, said Danny Brinker, eToro's head of portfolio investments in a press release, adding, "There's more to Bitcoin than you might think."
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay healthy.